Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, man, we are going to react to E-Trike Karaoke, no? With SB19. Ang title ng video na yan is I paid SB19 $20 to do an E-Trike Karaoke. Man, this is an Asian version of the, the carpool karaoke na meron sa Western country, sa US. I'm really excited with this, man. I am really excited with this. Ito nga yung parang iniintay ko na gawin nila kasi if you guys remember, they have a vlog na parang nag-road trip karaoke sila. And sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Doon nga nabuo yung Tagaytay, di ba? One of the best freestyle na ni Stel. But yeah, I'm really excited with this, man. $20 though? Just $20? Can I pay SB19 for $20 to be my guest in here instead? I'm really excited with this, man. Without further ado, let's get it.
Excuse me. Hi, for $20, do you want to do E-Trike?
Grabe, naka-mic talaga. Naririnig mo yung echo ng microphone. yung speaker niya dito sa harapan, yo.
Karaoke?
So medyo nakaraan pa to, no? Kasi ganito pa yung buhok ni ngayon lang siya na-upload.
How do you rank your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
A solid 1.
7.
Napaka-humble naman nun. Napaka-humble ng solid 1. Galing kay Pablo.
If Pablo is 1, I'm gonna be 0.
Solid 1. A liquidated
Mas humble.
2.
Liquidated 2?
For me, it's
Hindi solid na. Liquidated. Ang bilis talaga na utak, Istel.
0.5. Okay, I have to change my answer. I will go.
Don't change it. yung kay Josh, normal na answer, which is totoo, no? If I'm going to, scale yung bosses ni Josh, if we're talking about just SB19, solid 7 si Josh. No? Again, Josh is we cannot consider Josh as like the best singer sa SB19, but Josh can do all of it. Can rap, can sing, can dance, like everything, man.
I will go negative 100.
I really liked Gassy 3.
Nagpapabaan, no?
Okay, tell us your names and where you're from.
We are SB19 from the Philippines. Yeah.
I'm Pablo. I'm from the Philippines. Cavite represent. Let's go.
Cavite
Hi everyone. My name is
represent.
Tel. I'm from Manila.
Manila.
Hello everyone,
Manila?
I'm Justin and I'm from Valenzuela.
Hey, what's up? I'm Josh Cullen from the Philippines. Baris Bisaya Ken from the
Yes,
Philippines.
What
Baris
is your favorite
Bisaya.
song right now?
Always by Daniel Caesar. Right now, I really
okay.
jam to Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga's Die With A Smile.
I'm actually shocked, no? Napansin ko na yan, no? Na sa mga vlog nila na naikinig talaga si Pablo ay Daniel Caesar. But I mean, maybe like at the moment, no? But I'm just shocked. Kasi, I mean, I feel like Daniel Caesar's songs is, yung vibe niya is parang sobrang layo nung parang kay Pablo. Kay Pablo kasi either like aggressive or hype, or like sad, like pwede niya mabigay yung emotion ng aggressive, ng hype, and also ng sad. But for Daniel Caesar kasi parang laging sobrang chill, chill yung kanta ni Daniel Caesar. But
Right now, my favorite song currently is Bughaw by Maki.
Welcome to the Black Parade.
I actually want to listen to that song. Okay.
Tore up Don Toliver.
Oh, great song
Don
choices.
Toliver.
Let's rock and roll.
Damn more critics, I ain't my gimmick, but y'all be trying to run my fame. Josh going streets and they can't tell me nothing but stop and I change the game. My moves so clean, got it all the girls up. The swag so mean,
This is their version of finesse, right?
got it all the worship. Before we bust the streets, now we're topping rebel jars. Come and show you now, cause we're raising up the bar like
Hey!
Hopping in the streets of LA.
Hey!
Never hitting breaks,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, we're doing one finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together?
There's a reason why they watch all night long.
Man. Ilang beses kaya nila sinut to, no? I assume dito lang silang street na to, no? But ilang beses kaya nila sinut to, no?
Yeah, no, we'll turn heads forever.
Hey,
So
so
tonight I'm gonna show you all.
woo! Justin, man! I know, I'm just always happy, no? Every time na kumata si Justin because I'm glazing too much kay Justin like for like a month now. It's too much. I need to chill out.
Yeah, no, we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm
This is not in the Philippines, right? Is this still in Indonesia?
gonna show you all. When I'm walking with you, I want the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do.
My baby don't blame me on the confidence.
Blame it on your measurements.
Ah,
Get down inside. That's right.
how he's dripping.
in finesse. It don't make no sense. I am dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Yo.
What's your guilty pleasure song?
The pleasure song. I think it's the same song that I said earlier. I always find myself singing that song. So
That's a good reason.
Mine was Supernatural by Ariana. Out of My League by Stephen Speed.
Under the Influence
Wow.
by Chris Brown. 2024 Playboy Cardi.
My guilty pleasure? I really
Grabe yung range or yung pinagkaiba ng ano, mga music na pinapakinggan nila. So sobrang magkakaiba, man.
I should have an answer prepared, but I don't. I don't know. It's probably like something from Hamilton or. Moving
okay.
on. If you could do karaoke with anyone, who would it be?
Let them.
No, not me first.
That's a hard question.
Me, Michael Jackson.
Bruno Mars. Post
Well, ano lang naman, kung makapag-karaoke ka, di ba? Nakasama, hindi naman sinasabi na mangyayari talaga. But, Pablo, yung mga ano naman sana, para, there's a chance, I mean, SB19 is a big group now. It's a global group, no? So, pag nagsabi siya ng pangalan, there's always a chance that magkaroon siya ng collaboration because of that clip. Right? But Michael Jackson, imposible na mangyari yun, no?
I like that one.
You only get one choice.
He's not alive anymore.
Given a chance, I'll do it with Adele. Yeah.
Ah.
Please. I'll do it with SB19.
Oh, you win. You passed the test. And do you want to dedicate your performance to anyone?
We want to dedicate it to our 18. Yeah, 18 fans.
Are you ready?
This is ugly. But alam mo naman,
They
that
sing
like
down.
me, then again.
Hey.
Cause I'm icy.
Kahit
Kahit
na
na ano pa
yan.
yan, come bite me.
What you gonna do pag may dumating na may...
Bakit parang iba yung delay yung yung beat sa mismong kinakanta nila. But I just wanna say, alam ko na parang hindi ata sa Pilipinas to. Kasi kung sa Pilipinas to, Pilipinas? Yung totoo. Kung sa Pilipinas na nangyari, habang nagaganyan sila, merong mga taong sumusunod.
Itim na ulap ako kikiligin.
Tutup sa positibo ay baka lang
Oh man, Stel singing the part of Josh?
Kasi pag realidad na ang harap, agad nagising.
Anong pakiramdam kung next sa walang hanggang agdan?
Di pa sapat adam.
Nagkamali pa.
Dito, sa tipo, lahat dinito.
Padadam.
Kahit nung digmaan at gout na tigo, ayang tagusan, tagap ko ng kamalasan ay nag-aabang.
Hey,
Kita ba sa aking mga mata?
man, the beat is throwing me off. What the hell?
Ang mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita. Bakang pag ako'y nangarap ka sa tulan may di pa titina. Eto na, bunga na mga hirap. Pagpunta ko pa lang sa katanungan, ano pakiramdam?
Ang weird, di ba? Yung beat kasi, ang weird tuloy.
Bakit parang ganito ang daming tukso? Bawat hakbang laging may gulo.
Maybe they, no? Oh, come on. This is so fucking weird. Because of the beat. I don't know if it's because of the copyright. Kaya nila ginagawa to. Hindi magka-match. But I assume it's still going to get copyrighted. Right? Alam ko I feel like magiging copyrighted pa rin to. Kasi yung beat is the beat of Damn. Nga tayo magagawa doon. Diba? Yung instrumental nga nitong Damn is maka-copyright ka because of the instrumental. So, wala rin. Wala rin. So, it's throwing me off. Damn.
What are you gonna spend the $20 on?
I'm gonna spend it on ice cream.
It's a bit hot today, so maybe an ice cream would
Treat ourselves to ice cream.
Naikli naman doon. Oh, they made one for Beanie as well. Okay. With My. Nice. Alright, well again, that is SB19 on E-Trike Karaoke. No? If you think about it, if kung for example, totoo na just paid $20 para gawin ng SB19 yun. Siguro lahat ng content creator or even like, 18 fans, nagpila-pila na para magbayad ng $20 for this experience. Man, that is an enjoyable video. No? Medyo bitin, no? Hindi lang medyo, sobrang bitin. I feel like was no? Mas okay yun kung parang pinakita niya yung like mas mahabang version nun. Yung raw, I mean, not that like not edited video, but at least yung habang nun. Sobrang bitin. Ay. Well, let's just be thankful. We have an SB19 video, but that's our reaction for today. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-asuwitin yung artist, med, singer, rapper, sa mga get tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.